Alright, we're here. Time to look for some water. Or you just go back there and look for water.
Where? Oh. I mean the packs.
Yep, I thought so. There is no packs. Right, Lauren?
We have is like $29.99 for Fiji.
Oh, you don't want Fiji?
No. I mean, it's Fiji and it's like so much money.
Thank you.
Let's go. Squad, move out.
I'm gonna have to hop over it.
Alright, got you.
You don't have to do it.
Barely, because I'm so tall. Look at them gas prices. The other day it was like $3, man. It's expensive. We're on the road again.
Before I sit
On
down,
the
brush my hair.
road again. Oh man, is it filling up, Lauren?
I don't know.
Watching you do gas.
Let's see.
All right, where are we going next, Lauren?
Home.
Home? Are you sure? Are we gonna go to the other side of town?
I was thinking about it, but your dad's already over there, so if he wants to stop, he can. If not, I'll try again in the morning.
Oh.
There's one coming tonight.
All right then.
What do you mean in the morning? We have school.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I remember to hold it this time.
You should just go to the one tonight.
Yeah. What Kamari said.
And it's that one right across the street from this gas station.
All right. We only got that much of water. Well, catch you guys on the flip flop.